Hello, you're welcome back. The next one is to talk about working with image or pictures, whichever one you want to call it. I'm still gonna pick the poster template. So gonna pick the poster template. Once you pick it, we'll go straight to school poster or any of the templates here. But since we've been working with school poster, let's still pick it. Well, before I move on, I want to show you something on this first template. You click on it, edit. Okay, so if we look at it closely, okay, you see that it has Canva on it with cross lines. This shows that the image is not actually free. The template is okay, it's free, you can use it, but the image there it cannot use. And once you tap on the image, your gallery opens. This is your gallery, it opens. The next one is image, that one is color, filter, and all that. So but I think I'll go to image, click on image. I think I need to pick an image here because I don't have beautiful pictures on my phone. All right, so let's still look down there and let's just pick any of the images. So once you pick on that image, which one now? Let's do anyone here, anyone. Okay, all right, so I picked any of the images and it drops directly on the template. So what that happens, you click on this mark there to say yes, you're good to go. So if you have any other thing to change, you do that. But that is basically how you change your images on your templates, your designs. All right, so if you're wondering how I zoomed out and in, what happens is your two fingers, your thumb and your first finger, you hold it and open it up, hold your screen and open your two fingers, close them, just like you use your phones to see things. I know you can do that. So I think that is all for how to use images. And this same image that you have seen, let's go to this option here which says filter. Filter shows you options of your images, black and white. Is it gonna be so light, so deep, more of the green? You want it to fade a bit, right? This is a filter. We are used to this, I believe. Okay, so that is it for filter there, and set up on it. I think that's all. You can change your font if you want and you're good to go. So thank you. Always remember that your saving point is here. Click on this for download, click on that to save as. All right, thank you and talk to you soon.